Hi everyone. I don't know how you guys, but I always have leftovers from my epoxy mixtures. Sometimes I have left a hardener, sometimes a resin. I don't like to throw things away, so I decided to make experiment with different brands of resin. Will it work? I don't know. Let's see. I have leftovers from Let's Resin Part B and Craft Resin Part A. I'm pouring a ratio 1 to 1. I mix 30 milliliters of craft resin part A and 30 milliliters of less resin part B. Stirring for around 3 minutes. First, I will make transparent letters to see how clear it would be. For this experiment, 2 letters would be enough. Let's catch some bubbles in corners. I don't use any torch or heat gun. For second part, I will add some pigments, blue mica powder mixing with small part of my resin mixture. Carefully mixing until even distribution of pigment. I still have some resin left and I mixed it with golden flakes and poured on letter M. I don't like to waste materials. Epoxy is quite expensive and I use it until the last drop, scraping everything from the cup and filling the mold. The temperature in my room now is 23,5 Celsius and humidity 56%. Let's leave my epoxy letters to harden for 24 hours. For this experiment, I will pour one bookmark to see if that will work, if it will harden enough. I use the same transparent epoxy and my blue pigmented epoxy mixture. adding one blue blossom of Hydrangea in the middle. When placing flowers in epoxy, always check for bubbles. Press flowers to the bottom bubbles to come out. I don't see many bubbles here, just one on a flower. The rest looks nice. Let's leave my creation to sit for 24 hours. Can two different brands of epoxy work well when mixing together? Let's reveal the secrets. It passed more than 24 hours now, and let's see the transparent letters. I see many bubbles, few bigger ones, but I should say it's not completely clear. Looks a bit kind of smoky, and I poured only half of the letter, not full. It's flexible. It didn't harden enough, unfortunately. Let's see another one. Look the same. Let's see pigmented version. Oh, very flexible. It won't hold the screw and won't keep the keychain. I already tried to screw another flexi letters like this. Falls out very quickly. And the bookmark, okay, no bubbles, but yeah, very flexible. Okay, conclusion after 24 hours. Mixture of two different brands of hardener and resin doesn't work for letters, which would be used for keychains. Letters are too flexy. And for bookmark, well, why not? I think in worst case scenario, bookmarks can still be used. There's no need to screw any holes, and if such flexibility doesn't bother you, go ahead. I left the letters and a bookmark on a table and checked them after a few days if there is any change in the hardening process or not. And here it is the result. Transparent letters. As you saw, I haven't used any torch or heat gun. Some tiny bubbles appeared and few bigger ones was formed, but that is happening when you pour the same brand of resin and hardener as well. With this experiment, I could say if you use heat gun and make things more accurate, after a few days, the clarity would be absolutely perfect. And let's check the flexibility. Oh, it's hardener and can be used for keychains. Pigmented letters, I already threw the chains, and the letters are pretty hard and will follow the screws. The bookmark hardened more, no bubbles, it's shiny, pretty clean and clear, even I didn't use any touch. Conclusion after a few days. Mixing Let's Resin Part B and Craft Resin Part A equal parts work well, just needs to wait a bit longer to harden. I edited this video after almost a year and I could confirm that it's not yellowing either. So good luck in experimenting.